So let's see. Let's start with Narmin and Asena. Narmin.
Yes.
Yes.
Narmina and Asena. So Narmin, you need to ask a question. Come on. So what question are you going to ask? Sual verəcəksən Nərmin. Amma hansı suala? Biz bugünkü sual keçirik. What is it? What are they? Bu şəkildə nə görürsən?
What are they?
Aha. Okay. So Asyana, come on. Answer her question.
It is a book.
Stop. Asyana, burada bir dənə kitabıydı yoxsa?
3 tane. Onda books olacaq. It's a
Ay,
book.
sən suala diqqət yetirməliydin. Görürsən, Nərmin demədi ki, what is it? O dedi, what are they? Gördü ki, burada kitabların sayı çoxdur, bir deyil. Ona görə də sənə Z ilə sual verdi. Sən də diqqətin olmalıdır ki, Z ilə də cavab verəsən. Nərmin, could you repeat your question, please? Aha, yenidən sualını verə bilərsən.
What are you? Ay, mən bunu nə deyəcəm?
Bayaq necə dedin? What are they?
What are they?
Aha, so Asyana?
They is a book.
They are.
They
Baxın, burada
are
var idi axı, bayaq izah elədim.
They
They
are a
are.
book.
Stop. E-book yəni bir kitab. Amma bizdə
Books
kitabların
dedim.
sayı çox da oldu. Nə?
Books.
Yes, good job. They are books. Aysu and Agil.
Yes.
Come on. So, Aysu, ask a question.
What are they?
Good. So, Agil, come on. Answer her question.
Are deer cats.
They are.
Deer cats.
ID are cards. Good job. Well done. So, Afik Raya, picture 3.
Ne son verin?
Yes.
Afik is asking, Raya is answering.
Şimdi ben üçüncü soru vereceğim.
Üçüncü şəklə uyğun.
What is it?
It's the clock.
Okay, stop. Clock divar saatına deyilir. Burada qul saatıdır, düzdür? Watch, yes. Come on. So, Afik, could you ask Raya, please?
Hem sual tezden vereyim.
Yes, please.
What is it?
It's a watch.
Good job. Thank you. So, Khadija Jamila, picture 4.
What is it?
What is it actually? No idea. That is picture 4. Key. Ключ там.
It's a key.
It's a key. Good. Thank you. Riana Fateh. Hold on. Let me go down to let you see 5. Aha. So come on. Riana, ask Fateh, please.
What is it?
Учительница, что это на картинке такое? На пятой.
Зонтик.
It's an umbrella.
And it's an umbrella. Okay. You receive Eileen picture 6.
6.
It's a mobile. Yusuf, ask a question.
Mam nətər?
Sual veririk. Bugünkü sual keçdik. What is it? Tək olanda. Yox, əgər cəmdirsə, what are they? İndi sən Aylinə sual verəcəksən. Bu da mobil telefondur, Aylin.
Mən what is it deyəcəm.
Əlbəttə. Come on.
It is mobile.
Aha. Yusuf.
What is it?
Aylin.
It is mobile telephone.
It's a mobile telephone. Okay, good job. So, Nermin, Asyana. Asyana, you are
It is
asking
mobile
Nermin.
telephone.
Asyana is asking now. İndi sualı qoy Asyana versin. Bayaq Nermin sual verirdi.
Yes.
Come on, ask. Ask a question.
Where are they?
No. We have
Elim
two
bulandı.
questions, not where. What are they? And
What are
what?
they?
What are they? What are actually what it is? Paper? What is it?
Paper?
Yeah, it's paper. Good.
They are paper.
Paper sözü sayılabilmeyen isimde. Onda gerek sən cəmdə versəydin, deyərdin ki, they are sheets of paper. Vərəqləri, kağız vərəqləri belə alınmalıydı. Okay, so next step 8. Agil, ask a question. Maybe it is what can it be? A book? Yeah, let's say it is a book. Agil, sualı ver.
Uh, they are. Yeah. What is they?
What is it?
What
Aysun?
are they?
No, Bircə də nədir orada? Aysun?
What is it?
It's a card.
It's a card. Yeah, it's an ID card. Good. Thank you. So let's move down, down, and we are here in 9. Aha. Then, Raya, 9.
Yes.
So come on, ask a question.
What are they?
What are they? Afik, could you answer the question, please?
Anna.
Suala cevap verebilirsen senden soruşlar. What are they? Buradaki pamadadır. Pamada lipstick İngilizce. They
Ben
are
nişancı deməliyim.
9. They are lipsticks.
They are lipstick.
Okay. So, Jamila. Jamila, is Jamila
Yes.
here? Oh, come on. Let's ask a question.
Yes, I'm here.
Good. Ask a question.
What is it?
So, Khadija, could you answer it?
What is it?
Good. Khadija.
It's a
Uh-huh. Chair. It's a chair.
oh, it's a chair.
Yep, that's a chair. Then, next one. Fateh. 11.
Yes, teacher.
11, please. Это очки.
Очки glasses.
Нет, ты
It's
должен задать вопрос.
glass.
Ты сейчас будешь у Рены спрашивать,
What
что
is
это.
it?
Stop. Glasses are always plural. So we never say what is it. We always say what are they.
What are they?
Good. So Rena.
It is in classes.
They are. Yox, baxın, eynək həmişə cəmdədir. Eynəyin tək forması yoxdur. Очки всегда во множественном числе. They are glasses. Rena.
They are classes.
Thank you. Eileen. Picture 12. Eileen. Is Eileen here? Eileen burada. Ha, laptop da
Yes.
orada. Bir dənə kompüter var, laptop var. Sual necə qurarsan?
What is it?
Aha, good job. Yusuf,
Yes.
come on. Answer Eileen's question, please. What is it? Picture 12.
What?
12. 12'ye baxırıq, Yusuf. Laptop da orada. Və səndən Aylin soruşur. What is it? Bu nədir? Sən necə cavab verərsən?
Mən kompüter
It's a laptop. Əslində bu kompüter deyil tam da. Kompüter biraz böyük olur. Laptop. Bu elə bil stol üstü. Yəni gəzdirdiyimiz qalanlar falan. It's a laptop.
it's a laptop.
Good job. Thank you. So what we're going to do right now, it's a listening task. We'll see. We need to listen to my computer and complete the conversations. We have 5 conversations here. Demək, biz indi sizinlə dinləyəcəyik mənim kompüterimi və mənim kompüterimdən bu 5 dənə fərqli conversation olacaq, söhbət olacaq və bu 5 söhbəti tamamlayacaq. So, hope you are ready. Prepare your pen and paper. So, 2.8. Let me play it. Two point seven actually.